Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm making noodle stir fry. I have 6 packs of noodle, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, some chopped carrots, cabbage and onions. I also have chicken sausage here, some shrimp powder, salt, chili pepper, stock cube, ginger powder and 3 eggs. I have my boiling water here, which I'm just adding some of the noodle seasoning into it, and then I'll just add the noodles straight forward. So I have about 6 of the instant noodles. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And to my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch videos from this channel. I appreciate your efforts. I'll keep on stirring my noodles so that it doesn't stick together, and I will not let it overcook. I still want it to be hard a bit so that I'll get that nice texture that I want. So now I can just take it off the water and set it aside for it to drain. I have taken off everything. So I have a large saucepan here, and I've just added some little oil to make my scrambled eggs. I'm adding some of the indomie seasoning to the eggs before I'll scramble it. This will give it a very nice taste. When the eggs are scrambled, I'll set it aside and then fry my sausages with other vegetables. So here I have my chicken sausage, which I'm going to fry for 2 to 3 minutes before I add my vegetables. I'll continuously stir this so that it doesn't get over fried nor burnt. After 2 minutes of frying the vegetables with sausages, I just add my shrimp powder, ginger powder, stock cube, salt and chili pepper. And you can see I'm just stirring this so that they all get the spices. I'll then add my scrambled eggs and stir it together. Then after a minute, I'll add my noodles. So here I'm just adding the noodles, and I'll make sure that it is combined properly with the vegetables and the sausages. After 2 minutes of continuously stirring, I'll put off the flame and then go ahead to serve my instant noodle stir fry. Wow, this is so perfect, and I know after watching this you are going to make it for yourself and your family. My indomie stir fry is ready. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Have a great time. See you next time on this channel. Bye.